I was just glad I saved a little bit of money until spring to go ahead and get them doggone tags. Ain't no doubt for the bike. But there you go, man. Enjoy that doggone
right here, man. We're ready on that.
I'm looking up here at my duck fucking my little camera, and it's snowing to a beat all hell right now.
Yeah, tell Roger, man, I wish I had some of that down here. I'm sitting in here with the AC on. It's about 84 degrees outside. I'm sitting here shorts and no shirt there, Bray.
Hey, I'm waving at you, but I only got one finger in the air. Can you dig it? Come here.
You better be careful. I'm going to stick that buzzard on you there, Bray.
Enjoy your weather down there, brother. Ain't no doubt. You know, we've been real lucky up here. Ain't seen no serious snow since winter started. So, you know, gotta enjoy what we got.
Yeah, Roger. All right, Mr. 288 Audio Man, while you're doing your thing around the Football Hall of Fame, 225 Soul Searcher Sand Piles, stepping back in the clear.
Oh, Soul Searcher, oh, junkyard dog, get around, got you with the wave.
This, doggone, Turner.
I hear you, junkyard dog.
With that old deck.
No, you may bury you.
Home with that early.
I might look in my driveway if you wasn't out there, old dog, in Virginia, goddamn, bye-bye.
I'm sitting here getting this kind of bigger.
Roger, right on there, right back there, junkyard dog. I'm just finishing up the QSO here with Audio Man 288. Have yourself a super fine one up there, junkyard dog. 225 Sand Pile, Soul Searching, back quiet.
My Soul Searcher, always a pleasure. Have a good evening.
There you go. Soul Searcher.
Oh, Jay, right here.
Bikini State. Audio Man up around the foot.
Audio, modulate.
All right, Audio Man, have yourself a super fine one, 225 in the clear.
You're modulating, aren't you?
And my Soul Searcher.
Yeah, just trying to, there's some crazy stuff going on here lately there. Y'all bear with me, didn't mean to bother anybody. It ain't bother me. Get on out there. No, I told you what was going on, man. It took me a minute to figure out I had the wrong switch flip over here. Somebody was in Supermart. I mean, I wondered if somebody would key him up right. Yeah, both. Now I hear them all. Come on. What's going on, furball? We're just getting home. Was over at Mr. Retirement's house, dropped him off a little bit of coax in there, or scanners there, and just getting home here after work. Hey, Roger Foley, I just got home myself there. Sit down in the chair. Me too. What'd you do, Roger? I made you lots of dough today. That's a good deal. We need all that dough we can make. I know you're right. That's right, Hairball. Keep working. People on welfare depend on you. I know that's right. I'm going to depend on them when I'm Spanky's age here too. Well, he ain't on welfare. No, I know that, but I'm paying Social Security and all that. I ain't on Social Security either, so goddamn. Yeah, come on, Ghost. Yeah, I saw another one come over earlier when I was at the store. But I heard that one come by. He was pretty close to the trees. They looking for Spanky.
Angels with him. I was playing my arms back and forth, you know. He waved a little bit. He was real. They was chasing that first one.
Yeah, the first one flew over about 15, 20 minutes ago. They better throw the damn afterburner to it.
He went down yonder and turned around and came back and got in behind this one.
Oh, 10-4, yeah. I seen one fly over when I was, like I said, I was at Sycamore. About the same height as the one that flew over real high. He was about the same altitude.
Yeah, the one underneath and everything, he was trying to dodge the radar, keep messing them up and everything. That first one went down and turned around, and he was the last one to come by. He went and turned and caught in behind him. That's beautiful. He was not. They had the wings all the way back on.
I rode around one of them things one time. I know I probably took my ass off that. Pass out. But damn, it'd be cool as shit. Say, yeah, even if I passed out, shit. Yeah, I can say I passed